Hello my friends, I have some fun products to share with you today, and one is a Pudgie. I know you love the Pudgies. One also coordinates with our club set because we needed more sayings for that beautiful Lighthouse set. And one is a little sassy, and in fact it's so sassy it says the name Sassy in the title. So those of you that remember we had this club set recently. And we needed some more sayings for this one. So this is it. It's called Sayings for Lighthouse. Appropriate, right? And it says, "You are the light in my darkness. It's during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. Thank you for being a lighthouse during my storm." So you could do this on the outside and that on the inside. "Thinking of you during this difficult time. Make like a lighthouse and shine." And I have some great samples to share with you on that one. Now, we have our newest Pudgie. Those of you that took my class last year got this free in the class, but we are now offering it on our website to those of you that were unable to take the class. It is our Raccoon Pudgie, and he's oh so cute. He says, "Happy birthday to my wild friend. You are so clever. Hello," and he has a cute little apple to go with him. So that is our Raccoon Pudgie. Now, are you ready for some sass? Be warned, there are no bad words because I don't do bad words. But this is very, very sassy. This one is called Sassy Sayings to Stamp. Say that 5 times fast. And this one is fun. It says, "What's your problem? I tried my best to see things from your point of view, but your point of view is crazy." You've got to be kidding. "You're my best friend, mostly because you're less annoying than everyone else I know. They say what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. What a stupid system. I thought someone should tell you you're crazy. Woke up, got dressed, figured that was enough for today." Isn't that awesome? Fun, fun, fun. And you know you have people in your life that you could send this to and they would just love it, right? Yes, I know I'm right. Now let's look at some of our samples. Here's one, a beautiful lighthouse one, "Thinking of you," and it has that beautiful with sympathy. Open it up. "During this difficult time." Oh, look how pretty this one is. This one's watercolored background. "Thank you for being a lighthouse in my storm." Oh, here's a fun one using our sailboat and our 5x7 shadow box. Now this one says "Thinking of you," and on the back she added more. So on the back it says, "During this difficult time, it's during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light." Isn't that beautiful? What a beautiful thing just to have on your desk or on your mantle or something like that. Now here's one more lighthouse. "It's during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light." Isn't that pretty? Now let's look at some of our fun raccoons. Look at this. Look how cute he is. And I love my Flip-Its because they're just more fun. Here's another Flip-It, but stamped on pattern paper. So that little raccoon is stamped on pattern paper. Here's one of him colored. Here's another one of him colored in a different color scheme. So you can go the gray route or the brown route, which I really love. Here's a cute little one with squiggly eyes. Squiggly eyes, is that right? Wiggle eyes? I don't know. Oh, and here's another one with wiggle eyes. So fun. Now, you can also go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, to see them up close and personal. And if you're a club member, of course, you get the club discount on these products. And if you're not in the club, you need to join ASAP because you are missing out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.